Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This today's video is especially for help of students in Viva and practicals. In this video I will be showing you small instruments or small items which are routinely used in the laboratory, and they will be very helpful in your microbiology Viva and practical exams. Kindly hand over this camera to me so that I may have a closer look. Okay students, please have a closer look. This test tube is commonly used in the laboratories, and this is called gel vial or clot activator vial. You can see it is written there on this test tube. Students, this vial is used for routine chemistry tests. For example, renal parameters, liver function tests, parathyroid hormones, thyroid hormones test, routine chemistry tests. These are performed in this clot or gel vial. Students, secondly, we have got this bluish capped test tube, and it is called PT vial. Students, this vial is especially used for blood test, prothrombin time and APTT. PT and APTT. Clotting profile is used through this test tube. Now students, we have got third routinely used test tube, and it is called CBC vial. Students, CBC vial is used, as it is indicated by the name, for complete blood count tests. Also, it may be used for HbA1c test. So these three test tubes are commonly used in the labs, and again, blue tip test tube, it is PT vial. Violet, blue or purple shaded test tube, it is CBC vial, whereas yellow capped test tube is gel vial. Now students, these three colored bottles are used commonly in the labs. This blue cap bottle is used for blood grouping, and it is anti-A reagent or anti-A chemical. It is used for blood grouping testing. Now we have anti-B chemical. It is also used in blood grouping tests. And thirdly, this is called anti-D chemical. Okay students, these three colored chemicals are used in the process of blood grouping. Now students, we have this special instrument, and it is called pipette. This is used to collect sample from the test tube. This is called micropipette. Here you can see the calibration or measurement in the test tube. Now we have another bottle which contains urine dipsticks. Students, you can well read out different categories mentioned by different color codes. For example, you can see leukocytes. If leukocytes are nil in the urine, then yellow negative control. nitrites, urobilinogen, proteins, pH, blood, specific gravity, ketones, bilirubin and glucose. Students, this urine dipsticks are used in the test of complete urine examination. These color codes are matched with the urine stick after dipping into the urine. I will show you the urine dipstick now. Have a closer look of this urine dipstick. These are matched with these color codes. Students, this is urine dipstick. This urine dipstick is dipped into this urine, and after dipping into the urine, it is matched with the color codes. We have to grip this test tube in this way. Not, this is incorrect, wrong. We have to match it in this way. And this color code will tell us about the presence or absence of leukocytes, nitrites, sugars and different color combinations. I show you another example. This is used stick. Students, first of all, see the lowest one, greenish. It is glucose and it is negative. It means glucose is negative in this urine sample. Bilirubin, it is absent. Ketones, now we move this towards the matching side. This is no, ketones are absent. Now this is blood cells, RBCs, no, negative. So this color matching tells us about presence or absence of different chemicals in the urine. Students, as you can see, this small machine, it is called Sysmex. This machine is used to perform complete blood count. Here we run this blood sample here, and this machine sifts very small quantity of blood, and then the complete blood count appears here in the form of details like HB, HCT, MCV, MCH, MCHC. Students, now this machine, it is a small machine, and as the name is indicating, it is called centrifuge machine. Now next we move towards Selectra. Students, this machine Selectra Pro M, it performs routine chemistry tests like renal parameters, liver function tests, cholesterols, lipid profile complete. This is called Selectra machine. In this machine, these samples are placed here in this rotating chamber. The machine, this sifts the sample here, turns, and then ultimately the result appears on this screen. As you can see, ALT, AST, calcium, cholesterol, creatinine, these results are being shown on this monitor. Students, next we have got photometer. This is called manual photometer 5010. It also performs blood chemistry tests manually. Now students, we have got another small machine, and this is called, as the name indicates, distro, and it is used for serum electrolytes measurement, electrolyte analyzer, as the name has been indicated, electrolyte analyzer. Now students, then we have got water bath. This small apparatus is used to maintain the temperature of the blood sample. Students, this machine, it is called maglumi or snipe. It is used to carry out special chemistry tests like hormones, and the results are shown on this screen.